I do want to discuss some breaking news right now as we are learning here into our newsroom that a grand jury has indicted New York Attorney General Letitia James on potential around alleged fraud, indicted on fraud charge in the latest case against a Trump foe. This according to an Associated Press source. The contents of the indictment still not unsealed as of Thursday afternoon. James has been under investigation since May over a 2023 mortgage she took out to help a niece buy a home in Norfolk, Virginia. Of course, this also coming in the same district, the Eastern District of Virginia, that we saw earlier within the last several weeks. James Comey get indicted as the U.S. Attorney there, Lindsay Halligan. She is now in that position after under pressure by Trump to bring charges against Comey and James. Eric Seibert resigned, was replaced by the U.S. Attorney, a former personal attorney to Trump, Lindsay Halligan. So the charges obviously come as Trump continues to call for his enemies to be prosecuted in court. Former FBI Director James Comey pleaded not guilty on Wednesday to allegedly making a false statement in a congressional proceeding. The Justice Department also opened investigation into former Trump National Security Advisor John Bolton, Democrat Adam Schiff, and others. Of course, Letitia James, the relationship between her and Trump has been adversarial for years as James campaigned on promises to investigate Trump and ultimately won a civil fraud case against Trump, his adult sons, and his real estate business. The judge found them liable for fraud for inflating the value of their properties and ordered Trump to pay $355 million in penalties. Trump has appealed that case. So some big news here. New York Attorney General Letitia James indicted on a fraud charge by a grand jury there in Virginia. So obviously big breaking news that we're following here on Live Now from Fox, and the second such indictment in as many weeks there in this district in Eastern Virginia by Lindsay Halligan. James Comey, we do know that it happened yesterday. He pleaded not guilty. That will not move forward until January 5 of next year. So a lot to dive into a little bit later on. But first, let's sign away for a quick 2-minute break.